In this video I'm going to show a second example of distributive property. Again, let me try to move the words out of the way a little bit. So you're going to distribute two things. You're going to start by distributing 3x to both of the terms in the other sets of parentheses. So 3x times negative x. And as I draw that arrow, I write the step that's taking place. 3x times negative x. Then 3x times negative 2. So positive 3x times negative 2. So that is 3x being completely distributed to the other side of the parentheses. Now we're going to distribute the 5. It's positive 5 times negative x. Positive 5 times negative x. Sorry about that. That should be an x. Positive 5 times negative 2. Positive 5 times negative 2. So now we're going to go through and work out the math. If you are visual and you need to see the 1 that's in front of this x right here, I would do that. So I'll just go ahead and put the 1 for that one, and I'll go ahead and put the 1 over here for this one. Let's work with your numbers first. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. X and x makes x to the second. Into the next term. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. X just carries down as x. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. X carries down and just stays x. And last numbers, 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Again, you should notice you have 4 arrows and you have 4 terms. So once you multiply everything through, go ahead and look and see if there's any like terms. These are both x. A lot of times your like terms are going to be in the center, just like this. 3x squared doesn't have a like term, so it just gets written down on the next line as negative 3x to the second. Since these are like terms, we combine them. We do what the numbers tell us to do. So you go negative 6 minus 5. So negative 6 minus 5 is negative 11. X carries down. It does not become x squared. And negative 10 doesn't have a like term, so it stays negative 10. And that is our answer for multiplying those polynomials right there.